Alright, let's start electrical power and energy. Electrical power and energy. Now, if we talk with respect to power, power is equals to what? Work done or energy consumed. Per unit time. Per unit time. Alright. Now, we have two equations for electricity. Main two equation. We have voltage is equals to work done per unit charge and current is equal to number of charge passing per unit time. Alright. Now here if we focus on the power word, that means it is indicating work per unit time. So if I multiply these two entity W by Q into Q by T, so if I multiply these two entity, I will get W upon T. So when I multiply V dot I, I'll get W by Q into Q upon T. Ultimately, I'll get Q will be moved out. I'll get W by T is equal to V dot I. Now W by T, here it is equal to what? Power. So I can also write in terms of electric power and energy, I can also write that the product of voltage and current will give me the value of power. So the third equation which is coming out is P is equals to V dot I. Now, next important thing. For a given appliance, the resistance is constant. For a given appliance, R is constant. So that means that if R is constant and if I apply Ohm's law, where Ohm's law states that V equals to IR or RI, this is Ohm's law. Now, when I apply with respect to this equation, I'll get two more equations. The first equation out of it is when I make V as the subject of the formula. So from here I get P is equals to I into R into I, that is equals to I square R. Now this equation for power is applied when you are considering your appliance to be in series. For appliance in series, because in series current is constant. So where to apply I square R and where to apply the second equation will depend upon the appliance inside the circuit. Alright. Now second equation, when I substitute the value of I, so here I can also write that I is equals to V upon R. So when I substitute, power is equals to V into V upon R. So that is equal to V square upon R. So that this formula you can apply when your appliances are in parallel. For appliances in parallel. Remember this thing, do not exchange the equations, otherwise the answer will come out to be wrong. Alright, so this is most important thing when you are solving the numerical, that when to apply I square r for power and when to apply v square by r for power. Alright, now let's go ahead and find out the equation with respect to energy, that is work done. Now